See the next problem now. This problem is from sample paper, CBSE sample paper 2017. King Limited took over assets of rupees 25 lakhs and liabilities of rupees 6 lakhs of Queen Limited. King Limited paid the purchase consideration by issuing 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% and rupees 11 lakhs by bank draft. Calculate purchase consideration and past journal entries in the books of King Limited. Okay, so let's start. King Limited या प्रॉब्लेमच्या जर्नल एंट्रीज आपल्याला पास करायच्या आहेत. या जर्नल एंट्रीज पास करण्याच्या आधी आपण थोडंसं वर्किंग करून घेऊया. मी मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे, काल सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला थोडंसं वर्किंग करणं एक्सपेक्टेड आहे. सो वर्किंग नोट. They told us that King Limited took over assets of rupees 25 lakhs and liabilities of rupees 6 lakhs of Queen Limited. And they told us the terms of purchase consideration. King Limited purchase consideration म्हणून काय देते ते त्यांनी आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे. Issuing 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 10% and rupees 11 lakhs by bank draft. सो या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला टोटल अमाऊंट जशी आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिली होती 30 लॅक्स वगैरे, तसं पेमेंटची टोटल अमाऊंट दिलेली नाही आहे, म्हणजेच परचेस कन्सिडरेशन दिलेलं नाही आहे. सो पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला इथे परचेस कन्सिडरेशन कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लागेल. त्यांनी सांगितलं आहे 10,000 इक्विटी शेअर्स इश्यू केले जाणार आहेत ऑफ रुपीज 100 इच ॲट ए प्रीमियम ऑफ 10% मीन्स फॉर रुपीज 110. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल कॅल्क्युलेट परचेस कन्सिडरेशन. This should be part of your answer. Calculation of purchase consideration. This is the short form of purchase consideration. 10,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each into 100 each. Amount will be 10 lakhs. And they are giving it at premium, 10% premium, that is rupees 10. 10% of rupees 100 is rupees 10. So 10 rupees premium per share. Therefore 10,000 equity shares into rupees 10 premium. So the amount of security premium reserve will be 1 lakh. Okay, and then they told us that rupees 11 lakhs by bank draft. So bank draft of 11 lakhs. Total 22 lakhs. This is the purchase consideration. That is payment to be made to Queen Limited. Okay. Now let's see whether there is goodwill or capital reserve. Their purchase consideration is 22 lakhs and net assets is equal to assets minus liabilities. So total assets given 25 lakhs minus liabilities are given rupees 6 lakhs. So is equal to 19 lakhs. So their net assets, that is value of their business, is 19 lakhs and King Limited is paying rupees 22 lakhs to them as purchase concession, that is payment. So difference between it will be goodwill. Therefore goodwill is equal to 3 lakhs rupees. That is difference between 22 lakhs and 19 lakhs. Understood? So now let's pass the journal entries. First, आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेमप्रमाणेच आपल्याला ॲसेट्स अकाउंट डेबिट, गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट टू लायबिलिटीज अकाउंट टू क्वीन लिमिटेड अकाउंट अशी एंट्री करायची आहे. सो Sundry assets account debit 25 lakhs. हिअर टोटल ॲसेट्स आर गिवन. आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये वेगवेगळ्या ॲसेटची नावं दिली होती, इथे फक्त सन्ड्री ॲसेट्स असं दिलं आहे. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की गुडविल येतं आहे बिकॉज पेमेंट इज मोर दॅन द नेट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ बिझनेस. सो गुडविल अकाउंट डेबिट ₹3 lakhs. टू सन्ड्री लायबिलिटीज अकाउंट ₹6 lakhs. To Queen Limited's account ₹22 lakhs. 22 lakhs is the purchase consideration. Here as per our calculation, Queen Limited is getting 22 lakhs as payment, that is purchase consideration. Okay, now narration. Purchase of business we can say, or assets and liabilities also we can say. There is no hard and fast rule. Assets and liabilities of Queen Limited, this will be the narration. Okay, Queen Limited. And now the second journal entry, it will be of payment. क्वीन लिमिटेडला टोटल 22 lakhs द्यायचे आहेत. सो क्वीन लिमिटेडचं अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड फॉर 22 lakhs. टू इक्विटी शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट, इथे आपण वर्किंग नोटमध्ये कॅल्क्युलेशन केलेलं आहे बघा. त्यांना 10 lakhs रुपीज हे शेअर्समध्ये मिळणार आहेत, ज्याची नॉमिनल व्हॅल्यू शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंटला क्रेडिट होईल. आणि सिक्युरिटी प्रीमियम रिझर्व अकाउंटला 1 lakh रुपीज क्रेडिट होतील. आणि त्यांना ड्राफ्ट जो मिळणार आहे तो बँक अकाउंटला क्रेडिट होईल. ओके, सो एंट्री विल बी क्वीन लिमिटेड अकाउंट डेबिट. दे विल गेट टोटल 22 lakhs purchase consideration. टू इक्विटी शेअर कॅपिटल अकाउंट 10 lakhs. टू सिक्युरिटी प्रीमियम रिझर्व अकाउंट 1 lakh. 1 lakh रुपये प्रीमियम, 10% ऑफ this amount, that is 10% of 100, one and the same. To bank account 11 lakhs. Okay, and the narration will be payment made to Queen Limited by issue of 10,000 shares, equity shares, 10,000 equity shares of ₹100 each at ₹120 each, at ₹120 each, and through a bank draft. Okay, this will be the narration. In this way we have to solve this problem. First we have to prepare a working note for better understanding, and then we will pass the journal entries. Okay, in every problem. See this problem now. Seco Limited took over the assets of ₹4,80,000 and liabilities of ₹80,000 of Mittal Limited for a consideration of ₹3,20,000. ₹20,000 were paid by an acceptance in favor of Mittal Limited, payable after 3 months, and the balance by issue of fully paid 8% preference shares of ₹100 each at a premium of 50%. Pass the necessary journal entries for the above transactions in the books of Seco Limited. This problem is from the board paper, okay, CBSE 2017, outside Delhi course. So let's start now. The problem of SICO Limited. First, let's prepare a working of this problem. Working note. SICO Limited took over the assets of rupees 4,80,000 and liabilities of rupees 80,000 of Mittal Limited for a consideration of rupees 3,20,000. See, their assets value is 4,80,000 and liabilities are of rupees 80,000. So net assets amount will be obviously 4 lakhs, and SICO Limited is paying purchase consideration of rupees 3,20,000, which is less than net assets value. So there will be capital reserve in this problem. So I will write it here for better understanding. Net assets is equal to assets taken over, obviously assets taken over minus liabilities taken over. So it will be 4,80,000 minus 80,000. So net assets will be 4 lakhs. ओके, नेट ॲसेट्सची किंमत 4 lakhs झालेली आहे. अँड परचेस कन्सिडरेशन इज 3,20,000. सी, परचेस कन्सिडरेशन इज 3,20,000. Net assets, that is value of their business, value of business of Mittal Limited is 4 lakhs. So PC is less than the value of their business. So difference between these two amounts, that is capital reserve. Capital reserve is equal to 80,000. Understood? Now about the payment. Purchase consideration is rupees 3,20,000. याचं पेमेंट कसं होणार आहे बघा. 20,000 रुपीज वेर पेड बाय an acceptance in favor of Mittal Limited. An acceptance means an accepted bill of exchange. We have studied this topic fully in 11th standard. Rupees 20,000 were paid by an acceptance means bills payable accept केलं 20,000 रुपीजचं in favor of Mittal Limited, payable after 3 months. Okay, so this is the amount of bills payable. Understood? And remaining amount, that is rupees 3 lakhs, and the balance by issue of fully paid 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 50%. Okay, fully paid 8% preference shares, 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each at 50% premium. 50% of 100 means 50. So 100 rupees plus 50 rupees premium, that will be 150. The shares will be issued at rupees 150. Okay, so we have to calculate number of shares. Number of shares is equal to payable amount, that is rupees 3 lakhs, divided by issue price, that is rupees 150. It's very easy. So the number of shares will be rupees 2,000. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, and 3 zeros. 2,000 shares will be issued. 2,000 8% preference shares will be issued to the company, that is Mittal Limited, as a payment. Okay, now let's pass the journal entries. First entry will be as sundry assets account debit to liabilities account to capital reserve account to Mittal Limited's account. So sundry assets account debit 4,80,000 to liabilities account 80,000 to capital reserve account. This is the balancing figure, 80,000 to Mittal Limited's account amount is 3,20,000. Okay, narration being assets and liabilities taken over. Okay, this will be the first entry. Then second entry will be about payment. They are paying, that is Seco Limited is paying to Mittal Limited rupees 3,20,000, 20,000 through accepting a bills payable, and remaining amount, that is 3 lakhs, through issue of 8% preference shares. From remaining amount, see here, from remaining amount they have issued 2,000 shares. So 2,000 shares into nominal value 100, that is 2 lakhs, will be share capital, and 2,000 shares into the security premium, that is rupees 50, is equal to 1 lakhs, will be the premium, that is security premium. Okay, so let's pass the journal entry. Mittal Limited's account debit debit 3,20,000 to bills payable account, bill of rupees 20,000 accepted, to 8% preference shares capital account, amount we have discussed earlier 2 lakhs, and to security premium reserve 1 lakh. Okay, and the narration, bills payable accepted and issued 2,000 8% preference shares of rupees 100 each at rupees 150 each. Okay, so this will be the second entry. So for this problem we have to pass these two entries. This problem is very simple. 3 मार्काला वगैरे हा प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो बोर्ड एक्झामला. सो स्टडी प्रॉपरली. You can ask your doubts always. Next problem. K Limited took over the assets of rupees 15 lakhs and liabilities of rupees 5 lakhs of P Limited for a purchase consideration of rupees 13,68,500. Rupees 25,500 were paid by issuing a promissory note in favor of P Limited, payable after 2 months, and the balance was paid by issue of equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of 25%. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transactions in the books of K Limited. Okay, let's pass the journal entries now. Now the problem of K Limited. First, just like last problem, we will prepare some working note. See the problem. K Limited took over assets of rupees 15 lakhs and liabilities of rupees 5 lakhs of P Limited. So net assets is equal to assets taken over minus liabilities taken over. So 15 lakhs minus 5 lakhs. So net assets were 10 lakhs. Rupees 10 lakhs. Okay. Net assets of the company, that is P Limited, is rupees 10 lakhs. Now purchase consideration. Purchase consideration given is 13 lakhs 13,68,500, 13,68,500. See, the purchase consideration is more and their value of net assets is 10 lakhs. So goodwill is equal to 13,68,500. I will write here, minus 10 lakhs, that is 3,68,500. Okay, this will be the goodwill. 3,68,500 will be the goodwill. Okay, now they told us that they are paying purchase consideration is 13,68,500. 25,500 paid by issuing a promissory note in favor of P Limited, payable after 2 months. Means similar to bills payable, we will use the words bills payable only here. So 25,500 bills payable, that is a promissory note payable after 2 months, and the balance by issue of equity shares of ₹100 each at a premium of 25%. उरलेले पैसे जे आहेत ते 25% प्रीमियमला देण्यात येणार आहेत. उरलेले पैसे आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे आहेत. सो लेट्स कॅल्क्युलेट 13,68,500 minus 25,500, that is rupees 13,43,000 rupees. हे कसे दिले जाणार आहेत बघा. बाय इश्यू ऑफ इक्विटी शेअर्स ऑफ ₹100 each at a premium of 25%. So by issue of equity shares of ₹100 each at rupees 25% premium. 25% of 100 means 25 rupees. 100 plus 25 means 125 at rupees 125 each. Okay, so this amount will be paid in this way, and this amount will be paid after giving a promissory note payable after 2 months. Okay, so now we have to calculate number of shares. Therefore number of shares is equal to amount of payment, that is 13,43,000, divided by issue price, that is 125. So the answer will be 10,744 shares. Okay, so 10,744 shares into 100 rupees will be share capital. Okay, write it in this way, 10,744 shares into 100, that is the nominal value 10,74,400, and share capital 10,744 shares into rupees 25 premium is equal to 2,68,600 security premium. Okay, this is the working of this problem. Okay, understood. Now let's pass the journal entries. Passing journal entries is not a big deal, but how to pass, that is working note, will be little bit difficult. So we have to do the practice of these types of problems. So first journal entry. Now we know the first journal entry, assets account debit, goodwill account debit to liabilities to P Limited's account. So sundry assets account debit rupees 15 lakhs, goodwill account debit rupees 3,68,500. To sundry liabilities account 5 lakhs. To P Limited's account 13,68,500. Now the narration being assets and liabilities purchased. This will be the first entry. Now the second entry will be of payment. So P Limited account debit 13,68,500. To bills payable account, this is of promissory note 25,500. To equity share capital account 10,74,400. 10,74,400. To security premium reserve account 2,68,600. And the narration being promissory note accepted and issued 10,744 equity shares of rupees 100 each at 25% premium, at a premium of 25%, or you can write 10,744 equity shares of rupees 100 each issued at rupees 125 each. You can write like this also. So this is the solution. आय होप की तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना कळलं असेल कशा पद्धतीने या जर्नल एंट्रीज पास करायचे. ओके.